Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Vidyard, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Vidyard account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Vidyard account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing video, you know that Vidyard is a popular way to do screen recordings. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, vidyard.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create an account, you're going to click right here, start a free trial. Okay, so once you do that, in order to create a Vidyard account, you're going to go ahead and enter your work email, or you can go ahead and use your Google or Microsoft login. I'm going to go ahead and just enter in my email. Okay, once you've entered in the email, go ahead and click here, sign up with work email. Okay, next Vidyard is going to ask for your first name, last name, and for you to create a password. After you've done that, go ahead and click on continue. So I'm going to do this off screen. Okay, a quick second later, Vidyard sends me a confirmation email to confirm my account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that email and then click on the link. Okay, after clicking on the link, it brings me here to the order page. So from time to time, Vidyard offers a trial. So right now they're offering a 14-day free trial, but you do need to enter your credit card information in. So you're not actually going to be billed anything unless you continue after the trial period. So first I'm going to go ahead and choose my billing period. So I'm going to do the monthly, which is $89 per month, and make sure you check the seats. It's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that down to one seat. And then next I'm going to go ahead and enter in my credit card information in off screen. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here, letting me know that I've confirmed my purchase and I need to go ahead and name my workspace name. I'm going to leave it there and click continue. Next, Vidyard's asking what I'm going to be using this for. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose one of these. And now they're asking what I'm using the video for. All right, once you've chosen, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now they're asking me to go ahead and install the Chrome extension. I'm going to go ahead and just go directly to Vidyard home. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to my Vidyard dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start uploading videos or recording videos in my Vidyard account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Vidyard account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.